I welcome you in my channel Maths by Avinash. Today we shall continue our chapter Circle. Today we are going to discuss some theorem based on circle. So let's start our class. This is theorem 10.6. Theorem is said equal chord of a circle are equidistant from the center. This is the theorem. We have a circle. This is the circle and we have a equal chord. This is AB and this is CD and this is center O. This is perpendicular to this and this is perpendicular to this. This is L and this is M. And draw the construction, join OA and OC. Now write down the given. What is given? A circle, center O, radius R, in which chord AB is equals to chord CD, this is given, and OL perpendicular to AB, OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD, perpendicular to CD. Then to prove, what we have to prove, OL is equals to OM. Now construction, what we have to construct, join OA and OC, join OA and OC. Now let's prove. And we know that, what we know that? We know that the perpendicular from the center from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. This we know that. Therefore what we write? AL is half of AB, since OL is perpendicular to AB, and we know that the perpendicular from the center to a chord bisect the chord. So AL is equals to half of AB, same as CM is equals to half of CD, CM is equals to half of CD. Therefore what we write? And AB is equals to CD, this is given. Then what we write? Half of multiplied half of both sides. This implies that this becomes what? AL equals to CM. We know that AL is half of AB, CM is half of CD. In place of half of AB and half of CD, what we write? AL equals to CM. This one is clear to you? Now take in right angle triangle now in right triangle OLA and triangle OMC, AL is equals to CM. This is first. From first, and OA equals to OC, radius Therefore, triangle OLA is congruent to triangle OMC by RHS congruency. So what we said, OL equals to OM, OL is equals to OM by CPCT. Hence what we said, AB and CD are equidistant from O. Hence AB and CD are equidistant from O. I hope this one is clear to you. This is theorem 10.7. Theorem is said, chord equidistance, chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Are equal in length. What question is said? Theorem is said, chord is equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Now this is a circle and we have a two chord. This is AB and this is CD. This is center O. OL and this is OM. Now join OA and OC. Now write on the given. AB and CD are two chords. Two chords of a circle, center O, radius R, and OL is perpendicular to AB, OL is perpendicular to AB, and OM is perpendicular to CD. This is given such that OL is equals to OM. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove the length of both chords will be equal. Therefore, AB is equals to CD. Clear? Now in construction, what we have to construct? Join OA and OC. OC. Now in proof. We know that the previous statement, the perpendicular, we know that the perpendicular from the center to a circle, from the center of a circle to a chord, bisects the chord. We know that. Therefore, what we write from this statement? AL is equals to half of AB, same as CM is equals to half of CD. Now in right triangle OLA and triangle OMC. What we write? OA equals to OC radius, we know that. OL equals to OM, this is given. And angle OLA equals to angle OMC is 90 degree. Therefore, what we said? Therefore, triangle OLA is congruent to triangle OMC. OMC, then triangular congruence right here by RHS congruency. When triangular congruence, then what we said? AL is equals to CM by CPCT right here. Then what we do? We have to multiply it by twice both sides. Then twice of AL becomes what? Twice of AL becomes what? AB is equals to CD. Proved. I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe.